It's a mixed up mess with mixed markets. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Update for Friday, November the 20th, brought to you by Tradier Brokerage. They are our equity and options choice. I do have other brokerage accounts, but they do. They are $10 a month. I don't know how you can beat that. Number one. Number two, we've got their APIs, and we are automating everything, which will be done. Now, you don't have to automate, but certainly if you'd like to, you'll have that opportunity with Tradier. And again, you'll have the $10 a month option, which is obviously all in for commissions, everything. Not bad. In the meantime, markets are kind of mixed up. I mean, we had Mnuchin pull the plug last night a little bit, or tried to, and this morning he's trying to walk it back. In the meantime, after the close last night, the markets got creamed after the announcement that the Fed funding, the special programs, the loan programs would be pulled back, and the markets got hammered. Now they've subsequently come back, and now we're starting to see Dow under pressure, S&P under pressure, Russell under pressure, yet NASDAQ's higher now. So we're kind of mixed. We're still long. That has not changed. But overall, we'll see. Let the price action dictate. We're still in illiquid, low volume markets. So whatever they do is really, obviously it costs if you're on the wrong side. You make if you're on the right side, but it doesn't change anything from minute to minute. So don't get worried about those little vacuums that show up. Crude is a little bit higher. It's been all over the place. Nothing exciting. We're still long. Net gas is slightly higher. We're still short. Copper is exploding again. Amazingly. I mean, what can I tell you? I don't know. It's beyond. It defies belief, but there it is. The metals, they're having a nice bounce this morning. They were struggling, and in my road, I said, if that's all I can do with this rally, that was not very much. And then suddenly they rallied about another $14, $15. In the meantime, gold had peaked so far at about the 1877 December, and is now pulling back a little bit. I would think that might be it for the rally. Silver is pulling back a little bit, which are both short gold and silver. Platinum is still a little bit higher, and we are still long platinum, which has been obviously a good trade for the moment. The dollar is a little bit higher, but it goes. It looks weak, and we're short. Okay, that's the bottom line of the zero-sum game here. Again, markets are just slow, illiquid, and not a lot to do. Grains were a little bit lower overnight. Now they're popping nicely higher once again. It looks like soybeans want to try to test that $12 level. The meats, we did reverse cattle, but not feeders. But they're both under pressure, and hogs were still short. And as sure as we could have bet, there'd be a rally today after getting hammered the last 3 or 4 days. But again, we're short fat feeders. Excuse me, we're short fats and hogs, and still long feeders. And in the softs, cotton's a little bit higher. We're short. Or OJ's a little bit lower. We're long. Coffee's a bit lower. We're long. Sugar's lower, we're long, and cocoa is much higher, and we're long. So, at the end of the day, again, it's price action. We'll see what happens. It's been a much better week. Things have turned around. So again, it's part of just the understanding the trading mentality and how to deal with the drawdowns and not getting over leveraged. If you can do all that, you put yourself in a position to win at all times. In the meantime, this is Bubba's Daily Update, and of course, don't forget about our partners at Family Farms as we continue to try to educate farmers and help them hedge up here, especially up at these levels, but they should always be hedged, and then there would never be a discussion of what the levels were. And our commodity report written by Andy Heck, Technomental, unbelievable, and of course, the summary comes out tonight. You get a weekly on Wednesday and a summary on Friday, and then the quarterly start to come out, and man, are they good. So, again, you want to check it out, go to BubbaTrading.com. And we had no action in last night's football game, because again, it wasn't worth looking at. And of course, don't forget about our partners at CTG. Actually, not partners, but our broker guys that we love to deal with. And of course, they're our partners in taking care of the letter of direction. And of course, I have other brokerage accounts there too. So just remember that I'm not telling you what place to go. I'm telling you who I prefer doing business with. But they do an awesome job. And, again, they're the only ones who are licensed or can use our letter of direction trading. So certainly if you want to check them out, please do so. You can send me an email for both either Tradier or CTG at bub@bubbtrading.com, and I'll send you a special link. In the meantime, have a great weekend. Enjoy. We'll see you back here with Bubba's Bottom Line on Sunday. And until then, enjoy, be careful, and it's just liquid and quiet, so better to be careful than aggressive. We'll see you later.